Hello students, good morning. Today I have come with my 12th lecture video which is related to subject geography. We have studied chapter 1 in geography, the earth in the solar system. Today I explain the assessment objective type question answer which is solved on the board one by one. You open your book, take your pencil and write the tick the right answer in your book. All objectives have done in your book. Ready? Thank you. Now it is the term of MCQ, multiple choice question. Question number 1 is given. In which year did the Neil Armstrong step on the moon? Neil Armstrong किस ईयर में मून पे अपना कदम रखा? राइट आंसर इज 1969. ऑप्शन बी. Option B is right answer. Second question. The diameter of Ceres is. Ceres का diameter कितना है? Right answer is option A. 700 kilometer. In this book it is given that the diameter of Ceres is about 700 to 800 kilometer. But here right answer is 700. Now question number 3. The Great Bear is. What is Great Bear? So it is a constellation which is in option C. And fourth and last MCQ question is the moonlight reaches the earth in. Moonlight, as you know that the moon has not its own heat and light. It reflects the light of the sun like a mirror which reaches on the earth in 1.28 seconds, which is given in option A. Now it is the term of question B, fill in the blanks. There are 8 questions. First question. Dash takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. सन के चारों तरफ 365 दिन 6 घंटे में कौन एक परिक्रमा रिवॉल्यूशन पूरा करता है? राइट आंसर इज अर्थ. EARTH, अर्थ. Second question. Dash is the smallest planet. As you know that Mercury is the smallest planet. The right answer is Mercury. Moon is a natural dash of the earth. अर्थ का प्राकृतिक चीज है मून. क्या है? सैटेलाइट. नेपच्यून इज द डैश प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. सोलर सिस्टम में नेपच्यून का कौन सा पोजीशन है? तो इट इज द फार्थेस्ट प्लैनेट. सबसे दूर वाला प्लैनेट नेपच्यून है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डैश इज द 5th लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट अकॉर्डिंग टू साइज. तो अर्थ इज द 5th लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट. 6th question is dash are the blanket like bodies. Sorry, I repeat it again. Dash are the planet like bodies between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter revolving around the sun. As you know that there is a belt between Mars and Jupiter which is known as asteroid. Right answer is asteroid. ASTEROIDS. Asteroids. 7th question. A small and irregular shaped heavenly bodies made of gas, dust, and ice particles are known as comet. The eighth and last question, the heavenly bodies revolving around the sun are called heavenly bodies revolving around the sun are called planets. Now match the following. You can write in front of question number 1 is D, 2 in front of 2 is C, 3 को F से मैच करें, 4 को A से, 5 को B से और 6 को E से. आप देख लेंगे बुक में क्लोजेस्ट प्लानेट. विच इज द क्लोजेस्ट प्लानेट? ऑप्शन सी इज मरकरी इज द क्लोजेस्ट प्लानेट टू द सन. फार्थेस्ट प्लानेट नेपच्यून. सी नंबर ब्लू प्लानेट किसको कहते हैं ब्लू प्लानेट? तो अर्थ. जो एफ ऑप्शन है रेड प्लानेट. विच प्लानेट इज नॉन एज रेड प्लानेट? ऑप्शन ए मार्स. क्लोजेस्ट प्लानेट को आप डी से मैच करें, मरकरी. फार्थेस्ट प्लानेट को सी से मैच करें, नेपच्यून. ब्लू प्लानेट के नाम से जाना जाता है अर्थ. रेड प्लानेट के नाम से हम मार्स को जानते हैं. कौन से प्लानेट्स हैं जिनके 18 मून्स हैं? तो आप सैटर्न को मैच करें, बी को. यूरेनस के पास भी 18 मून्स होते हैं देखो. और सिक्स्थ सैटेलाइट को आप ई से मैच करें, ई में मून. अर्थ का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट मून है. दैट्स ऑल. Now it is the term of a state true or false. Which statement is true and which statement is false? Question number 1. Mercury is the biggest planet. Answer is false. Moon is the satellite of Earth. Second question. True. Third. The sun looks so big because it is the only star nearest to the earth. ये true है. Fourth is distance between the earth and the sun is 280 million kilometer. It is false answer. Now it is the term of question number 8. ई को बाद में हम लिखाएंगे, एफ आप लिखें. क्वेश्चन है कि आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन वन सेंटेंस बट आई गिव यू ओनली की वर्ड, की आंसर, एंड यू मेक इट इन राइट इट इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेज. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, first question is, what is the name of our galaxy? You write the answer, Milky Way galaxy. But in your fair copy, you write it in complete sentence. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Second question, name the constellation in which the arrangement of stars resemble a hunter. Its right answer is Orion. Now you can write the answer in complete sentence that Orion is the constellation in which the arrangement of stars resemble a hunter. Third question, name the gases from which a star is formed. कौन कौन से गैसों से स्टार का फॉर्मेशन होता है? You can write the answer, hydrogen and helium, and in a complete sentence you can write that hydrogen and helium are the gases from which a star is formed. Understand? Now it is a term of 4 question. Name the star which always lies in the north sky. Its answer is pole star or north star. हम इसे पोल स्टार या नॉर्थ स्टार दोनों के नाम से जानते हैं. यू कैन राइट द आंसर दैट पोल स्टार और नॉर्थ स्टार lies in the northern sky. Now question number 5. Which planet is known as the blue planet? You know it very well, that Earth. Now you write the answer in complete sentence, that Earth is the planet which is known as the blue planet. Now question number 6. Which is the largest planet? Answer is Jupiter. You can write Jupiter is the largest planet. 7th question is, name the planet which takes the maximum number of days to complete one rotation. अपने एक्सिस पर एक बार रोटेट करने में किस प्लानेट को सबसे ज्यादा दिन का समय लगता है? इट्स राइट आंसर इज वेनस. नाउ यू कैन राइट इट इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस दैट द वेनस इज द प्लानेट विच टेक्स the maximum number of days to complete one rotation. 8th and last question is, name the first man to land on the moon. Right answer is Neil Armstrong. You can write it in complete sentence that Neil Armstrong is the first man to land on the moon. That's all. In next lecture video 13, I solve the rest questions, question number E, G and H.